Hello friends, Monica from Aviary here, and today we will be building a snake sculpture. Sculpture, you say? I'm not a sculptor, I move. I got the suggestion from a subscriber in Arizona to build the Medusa headdress, which is a little bit scary to me because snakes appear in my dreams sometimes. But that's a story for another day. But I will take on this challenge. I will build the Medusa headdress, but first let's try one snake. I will show you how I built this beauty right now. Okay, so I got some cardboard here. I wish it was longer, but that's what I have available. And I got some wire, 18 gauge, my scissor, and trusted masking tape here. So now let's give the snake some body, and I'm just going to roll this up, not too thick because we still want to be able to shape it. And for now, just loosely put some masking tape on it. Okay, so I cut a piece of wire here. I want it to sit on the rock and maybe curl around a couple of times and then kind of come up. Okay, now we're gonna take the pieces that we rolled up and put them on the wire. Okay, now next step. Let's create some coils here, snake looking. Yeah! Alright, so I wrestled the snake into submission here, hugging the stone nicely, and then I am attempting to make a face here. Now I made a heart shape because I don't want this to be frightening. And let's see if this works. Just some wire. And I made it, I made two, so it's kind of like we. And then we just stick this on. I'm gonna have to probably glue this down a bit. Okay. Okay, now we are ready for the paper clay. I made a fresh batch this morning and it feels really nice. Okay, let's add this. We don't need the head right now. I'm just going to go ahead. Okay, so everything is covered roughly all over, and now I want to put it back on the rock. Now I covered the rock with some plastic wrap. Now I don't know if that's going to be a mistake, but I just don't want it. I just don't want the rock to be messed up too much. Now let's see how we can place this. Okay, now I'm just trying to smooth it out as much as possible. Okay, I think that's all I can do for now. Add a little bit more here and there, but I'm not sure about this, so I'm gonna just leave it for now, and I'm just going to let it dry on the rock here. Alright, here's my snake. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to add, of course, a little bit more here and do a little bit of patches here. But for now, let's concentrate on the head. So I'm just adding some aluminum foil here to give it some volume. So I don't need that much clay. Alright, now let's put some clay on. Alright, now let's finish this up. So I added a little tongue. I just cut it out of paper, and the teeth are bamboo skewers, barbecue skewers. And now I'm just covering up the exposed paper with some more clay. The same on the body. I try to make it as smooth as possible, and maybe give it some eyelids here. All right, we are ready for some paint. I'm just gonna go with a matte black for the base all over. And now I'm grateful I have some protection here on the stone, so I don't have to worry about getting it messy, and I can go right in it and get the black everywhere. Okay, first coat is dry, and now see I built a little spray booth because my husband got me this airbrush for Christmas. I've wanted one for years, and look at this. Now I have no idea how to use it. This is the first time, so let's figure this out. Now for the snake's body, I thought it would be neat. Maybe, you know, those little nets, oranges comes in. I thought maybe that actually will give kind of a snake design if I put this on here as a stencil or something. We'll find out. Okay, I'm really anxious to see if this worked out. Oh yeah, as expected on the snake's head, it's very subtle because it was a little bit, I moved it around between colors. But wow, the paint is looking so nice. Okay, now the body. Let's take those off. I actually stitched them on because, okay, I might need a scissor here. Oh wow. Oh! Can you see the design? Oh my goodness! This is better than I expected. This is really awesome. Okay, the head is gonna need some more work and a little bit more patching here, but I am really pleased. Look at that. Just a simple net. Use what you already have. Okay, are you ready for your close-up? I think so. All it took is a little bit more paint here and there, and the snake is looking gorgeous. So this is my study piece for the Medusa headdress, and I did learn a lot, and this video should be coming up shortly. So this is Monica from Wicked Aviary. Joining me today is Snaky McSnake. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still here, you are the best. I appreciate it so much, right? And the next video suggestion, maybe over here or here. I don't know. Bye. See you soon.